Are you curious about using AI to trade cryptocurrencies, but overwhelmed by complicated dashboards, strategies, and platforms? You are not alone. 80% of beginners quit before making their first profitable trade. But here's the good news. Today I'm going to show you how to start using Cryptohopper, one of the most powerful AI trading platforms for beginners and advanced traders alike. Hey, pay close attention. At the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to create your account, set up your first bot, and use smart features to trade like a pro. And guess what? You don't need to know how to code, and you don't need to be a financial expert. Stick with me, because I'm going to share a proven setup blueprint, plus a few powerful automation tools that can help you start earning while you sleep. And yes, the full checklist and bonus strategy map is waiting for you at the end. What is Cryptohopper? Cryptohopper is a cloud-based crypto trading platform that uses AI algorithms and automation tools to help you trade smarter. Unlike traditional exchanges, Cryptohopper doesn't require you to be glued to your screen all day. Instead, you can automate your buy, sell orders based on rules or signals, copy strategies from top traders in the marketplace, use technical indicators without coding, manage multiple exchange accounts in one dashboard. It supports over 100 cryptocurrencies and integrates with major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, KuCoin, and Kraken. If you're a beginner, Cryptohopper's easy templates, visual dashboards, and strategy designer will make you feel in control from day one. Is Cryptohopper legal and safe? Yes, Cryptohopper is completely legal. It does not store your funds. It connects to your exchange through API keys, which you control. You can limit these API keys so that the bot can only trade, not withdraw. This keeps your funds secure. It also offers two-factor authentication, encrypted servers, and regular software updates. So yes, Cryptohopper is safe to use when you follow standard best practices, just like you would with any trading tool. How to create a Cryptohopper account. Let's walk through setting up your account step by step. Go to cryptohopper.com. Click on Sign Up in the top right. Enter your name, email, and choose a secure password. Confirm your email and log in. Once inside, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you can set up your first trading bot in minutes. Connecting your exchange. Before your bot can trade, it needs access to your exchange. Here's how to do that. 1. Choose your exchange, like Binance or Coinbase Pro. 2. Log into that exchange and go to API settings. 3. Create a new API key. 4. Enable trading, disable withdrawals. 5. Copy your API key and secret. 6. Paste them into your Cryptohopper dashboard under your hoppers. Now your Cryptohopper bot can trade on your behalf, based on the strategies you choose. Setting up your first bot. 1. Click on your hoppers in the menu. 2. Select Create a new hopper. 3. Choose from Template Hopper, Pre-built settings. Trading Bot, Custom settings. Market Making Bot. Let's choose the Trading Bot. Give it a name, e.g., Bitcoin DCA Bot, then select your exchange. Choose a base currency like USDT or BTC. Set your strategy. You can pick a pre-made strategy from the marketplace or design your own with the strategy designer, using indicators like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. Choose your risk settings. Max open positions. Take profit. Stop loss. Trailing stop. Hit save and start bot. Congrats! You've just created your first AI crypto bot. Paper trading first. Don't go live with real money yet. Cryptohopper offers a free paper trading mode that simulates real market conditions without risking your funds. Use this to test strategies, learn how the bot behaves, adjust settings before going live. Paper trading is one of the smartest ways to learn without losses. What plan should you choose? Cryptohopper has 4 plans. Pioneer, free, great for paper trading, basic features. Explorer, $19 per month, 80 positions, 2 triggers, 1 exchange. Adventurer, $49 per month, 200 positions, technical analysis tools. Hero, $99 per month, arbitrage, market making, 500 positions. Start with the Explorer plan to get full bot access without overspending. Copying pro traders. In the marketplace, you can subscribe to successful traders' signals and strategies. These are rated by performance, transparent in results, easy to plug into your hopper. Copy trading is great if you want results without designing your own strategy. Advanced features you should try. Trailing stop, loss, protect profits. iSignalers, automated triggers from machine learning models. Backtesting, simulate your strategy over past data. Arbitrage bots, profit from exchange price gaps. Market making, provide liquidity and earn from spreads. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Going live without paper testing. 2. Using too many strategies at once. 3. Ignoring stop, loss rules. 4. Overexposing on one coin. 5. Not checking bots daily. Remember, even the best bot needs tuning. Recap and final thoughts. To recap, here are the 5 steps to start with Cryptohopper. 1. Sign up for a free account. 2. Connect your exchange with secure API keys. 3. Create your first bot with a pre-built or custom strategy. 4. Test everything using paper trading. 5. Go live slowly with small capital. And if you want to fast-track your setup, download our AI Trading Starter Toolkit. It includes a full platform comparison, setup flowchart, and checklist. See the link below in the description right finger. You now have everything you need to start smart, safe, and strategically with Cryptohopper. If you found this video helpful, like the video. Subscribe to TechMoneyAI for more AI trading tips. Drop a comment. Which bot strategy are you most excited to try? See you in the next video, and remember, Invest better with the power of AI.